Hey everyone, this is Scott from Ear to the Ground. I hope you're all doing well. I thought we'd go on a bit of a nature walk today. So I'm at Ojibway Parkway here in Lasalle. So I thought we'd go and go for a little walk, check out some nature and see what we come across. Alright, let's go. So yeah, I've been talking a lot about community in my videos. But I'm doing a great injustice if I didn't actually address one community, ginormous community that I really enjoy being a part of, and that's the YouTube community. And that's a reason why I started making my channel in the first place. So being inspired by seeing other YouTube creators, YouTube artists joining together and actually collaborating on some videos on YouTube. And I think that's amazing, you know. And I think it's important that I talk about that too, because even though I don't may not live in living in a giant metropolis, I like the smaller communities and the simple living and whatnot. Again, I can't forget to mention the YouTube community. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure I know what I talked about that. Primary reason why I have my channel in the first place is that inspiration of other people. It doesn't matter if that message is malevolent or benevolent, someone's got a message to share with the world, right? So I like say what's a malevolent or benevolent, yeah, that's good. So yeah, so I thought I'd take us for a walk here at Ojibway Parkway here in Lasalle, and just enjoy. See what you may come across. So we got all kinds of trees, and we come here for walks and over the year and see if things change, and leaves and no leaves and all the beautiful colors in the fall. So I just wanted to come out. I need to get out of the house. Oh, I see the blue jay over that way. All kinds of trees. We got a little bit of a creek down there. And yeah, I just wanted to mix things up a little bit. Get out in nature. See if we can find some cool stuff to take a look at. It's always nice to get out and experience nature. Get out in the fresh air. It's actually a lot warmer than it was earlier today. Out this way, maybe way out to chapters to see if I need to replenish any books today. Getting about, doing this driving thing is new to me, so I'm just trying to make sure. I asked if I was able to film here and like even inside and whatnot, and people yeah, it's just not to be filming any other humans walking around, so make sure that I'm not getting any faces in my video. Hey. So yeah, I just want to make sure I'm following direction. Up here, over on this side here, see if we can see anything over here. Hoping you might see some critters. So I just wanna get out here in nature. Like all the leaves on the ground, rustly. that way yet. Let's see over here. And we got people going over there, so I want to make sure that I'm not getting any faces. Oh, that's cool. Someone's feeding the bird. Alright, not getting any faces, no faces.
Oh, okay.
Alright, here we go. This is cool. We really like this walk. And Jacqueline coming to this trail as often as possible, or else we go to Point Peely. That's in Leamington. Eventually I'll do a video about that way too, eventually. Yeah, I just love nature. Really do. Pardon me. I just hope everyone out there is doing great. Living life, enjoying life. A little bit close to the road, just back in this way. Yeah, that's right. Here to take in the sights. Let's see if we can find something to check out this way. I'm glad my camera's not cutting off. I don't know what was going on the other day when I was trying to do the videos. I had to make a whole bunch of short ones. Hopefully this will be able to be a bit of a longer video. And if I get cut off, I'll just restart it over again. Let's see anything over that way. Nothing over there yet. This is awesome. I'm really enjoying this. It's really awesome to watch the seasons change out here in nature. Excuse me. I'm glad it really warmed up a bit. You put extra layers on before I came out too, so. Let's see. I really love these trails. So yeah, this YouTube community is a really awesome deal. I really enjoy being able to make videos, and I think another big part of this is the fact that my youngest son, Josh, actually has his channel, Josh Games 5, and he actually does a gaming channel and whatnot. It's really inspiring too. My daughter's done a little bit one, and I don't know, it's just a great outlet, a great forum to be able to share your life experiences and adventures and whatnot with the world. I don't know, the more I do videos, the more comfortable I am on camera. Be a while to get the kinks out. And it's a good thing to be able to just have an outlet. It's also like a big support system too, right? I have my recovery family, I got my YouTube channel family, network, and I gotta all out the network too, right? So you never know who you're gonna meet or run into, or someone's gonna have something they're sharing on their channel that hits something, moves something inside of yourself and inspires you to just keep expanding on what kind of content you want to actually be putting on your channel. You know, it's like when I write my stories, or make like silly little stories. Those are all aspects of myself that I identify with. You know, the procrastination and the I don't know, Myrtle the Turtle, my next one coming out, is all about, she's got special needs, and you know, I may not be in a wheelchair or whatnot, but I deal with other, you know, other stuff that I always thought that was always what was going to define me, you know. You know, you push through that stuff, and your idealistic views of yourself, you know, change or evolve, and you know, I don't have the same views of myself I did, like I say 7 years ago now. You know, so nothing's changing, you know, and that's just like, everything evolves. My way I see myself and humanity or society at large changes. The way I see my belief changed, my belief system changes. You know, I've always had something bigger than myself in my life, but everything. Oh, look at this! We got a blue jay. You see this? Up and back on that tree now. That's cool. I'm gonna hopefully be able to have a bit of better camera soon. That would be awesome. Just using my phone right now. You know, with my selfie stick again. Let's see. Straight here, tree over there is usually all full of vines in the summer. And pretty neat looking. Let's keep going over this way. There's a hole in the fence up here. So there's a human walking around over here, so I gotta make sure I get no faces. Hey, no, I'm not getting no faces. I'm not gonna get any faces. Alright, walk over this way. Have a great day. You're welcome. Alright, so. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got some raspberry brambles over there. This way. Ooh, getting a little breezy out here now. Wait for almost to the trees. Hole in this fence over here. Sometimes fix the fence. Someone goes back through it again. There's nothing over there right now. I might actually put my gloves on. Just 1 second. Oh, a little brisk. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Never know what's gonna pop out at you any minute. Let's see here. Alright. Let's leave it here so we're looking at the fence. See anything quite yet? Alright, I hope I'm talking loud enough so you can all hear me. My volume turned all the way up, so hopefully that's going to be alright. Yeah, I just get out here in nature. I got this big oak tree that splits off into 3 over here. It's like our favorite tree here when we go visit. I'm here to visit. Here we go. See, it's pretty cool. Always stop by and give it a good touch here. Our favorite oak tree. Alright, keep going. See what we got. Alright. Even if you don't see any critters, it's still nice to get out here in nature. Excuse me. Seems like my camera's staying on for now anyway. Just keep looking around. Alright. See all kinds of critters out here, depending on what time of the year it is. I'm gonna bend in a second. Back away from the road a little bit. Let's go see what's over this way. This is awesome. Let's see what's going on over this way. Trail. Alright. I love this. Being able to come out here to this park and experience nature like this is pretty sweet. Oh, what's that? Built a little bit of a teepee over this way. Over here. Looks that way anyway, unless it's just all the trees falling down. The branches falling down all around the tree or something over here. Yeah, I think that's what it is, possibly. Oh, let's go take a look. It looks like, I don't know. A little bit. Yeah, it looks like someone's actually built a little bit of a shelter over here. That's pretty cool. Check this out. That's cool. I love seeing stuff like this. Got a little bit of a shelter. That's pretty neat. Okay, let's go head back into the. Head back out on the trail. More people on the trail, so I have to make sure I don't get them in there. Let's go over this way. Let's go this way. It's awesome. I'm looking forward to doing more of these videos. I'll be getting out of the house a bit more. I'm going to do some videos from my car. That's the awesome thing about YouTube, where you're able to, doesn't matter where you're at, you can just like start shooting. Back over this way here. This is pretty awesome. Get over here. And sometimes people just like nature walks, nature videos. I like nature, so it's a part of my life, so, you know, why not share that with the world too? You never know what you're going to experience out here in nature. Let's get over this way a little bit. Let's see here. Back over this side. Oh, the rustling leaves under my feet. I like that. It's one of the signs that's over here. Haven for Rarities, and it's talking all kinds of the plants and whatnot are all growing around this area of the park. Keep moving. Boy. Keep walking around and looking around. This fall, the animals seem to blend into the surroundings a little bit easier too, so keep your eyes peeled. This side of the trail. A little bit closer to the road again. Sorry about all the background noise. Excuse me. One of the bridges here. Bridges this way. Keep going. I love this walk. It takes a little bit longer when you're walking with someone else. It takes us about an hour or so of me and Jackson around here walking together. I have a feeling it's not going to take that long. Hasn't been very much to stop and look at this time. Usually there's more critters about. Looking over this way. Let's go this way a little bit. There's something over there. Over by that fence. Don't see anything at the moment. This way again. Just keep panning all around and seeing what's all going on around in the environment, nature here. I'm not getting other people in the video here. See anything yet? It's just about the experience. Oop. Some other people coming. Trail here, I'm sure I'm not doing the video. No faces, looking that way.
You're that way?
Yeah, I'm filming that way.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you're welcome. Have a great day. Ooh, a little bit of a sun glare going on here. There we go, that's a bit better. Hopefully that's better for you guys. It's really sunny around this area right now. See nothing over that way right now. But hey, keep trekking. The blood flowing. Actually really nice outside right now. Looking around. Stump. Falling off a tree. There we go, there's a big stump. That way. Getting those other over there. Alright. Coming up to my favorite stump. Let's bend up here. Oh. Put it over that way further. Let's see if we can see anything over this way. I don't see anything there. There again. Alright. Over this way again. Tree. Okay. Right. Here. In this corner. There we go. And there. Second. Get a better look at it. this. So there's my stumpback whale. You get really close to it, you can actually see kind of like an eye, and yeah, that's my stumpback whale. Oh, you joke about that when we come down here for a walk. Get back on the trail. Oh, I just see a little chipmunk. Missed him. Filming. See, and I got a few more minutes to film, so maybe I'll be able to get back in time before it cuts off. We'll see. If so, I still have some more filming I want to do for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the content on my channel. I gotta make sure, and also, if you enjoy my channel, I can donate to my channel through PayPal me, or I have a Patreon, and I'll make sure I get that on the video when it gets posted. I'm gonna make sure I don't get these faces. Let's get over here again. More people showing up here. Oh, excuse me. Alright, let's get turned back around this way, and then there we go. And then we gotta go back this way. Hopefully we'll see a critter. Over this way. Nothing over there so far. Okay. All these fallen trees, they pretty much probably would use it for like firewood or more wood chips for the trails and stuff like that, because that's what they do to make sure they really maintain the park really well here. Everything is pretty much sure all recycled as much as they can. I think about the reason I know to make shorter videos, I think I need more room in my new, more memory in my camera. And I think that'll help a lot. So I think that's what I'm going to need to do, because it says I only have like a few minutes left here to film. It's probably going to be the extent of the space on my phone. So we'll see what happens after it lapses the time it says I have left here. I'll just get through my phone and get through some more stuff that I don't need on it anymore, and go from there. Don't sweat the small stuff. Let's go this way here. A bit of a clearing. Okay. So yeah, I just hope you're all doing well out there. Hey, well, if this cuts off, not too long, I'll wrap this up for now. Says I got another minute or so. Once I get a camera, I'll have I don't have to worry about having to use my phone as much. Another little bridge coming up. That's pretty neat. Bit of a bend here. Tree falling over. Cut down. Alright. I got a few more seconds and it's telling me I have to keep filming, so I'm gonna what you got going on here? Give me a second. Alright. So I'll sign off for now, and I'll have another video uploaded soon. Have a great day.